This is the Candy Bay 4 hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Featuring 50 powerful jets, the Candy Bay 4 offers the perfect massage at your fingertips. With 2 loungers and 3 seats, there's plenty of room for everyone to unwind. And it only needs a 13-amp power supply. Dive into the future with our new chemical tablet dispenser pod technology, making water care a breeze. Feel the powerful pumps and enjoy the serene beauty of 4 fountains and a 10-inch waterfall. Enhanced insulation and a robust 2 kilowatts heater ensure your hot tub stays warm and energy efficient. But that's not all. Elevate your experience with the integrated Bluetooth sound system. You also get a free insulating cover and steps, and can enjoy a luxurious foot massage with 22 vibrant LEDs lighting up your evenings. Plus, we offer free delivery and installation across the UK mainland. Finance plans available at 0% and 4.9% APR make owning your dream hot tub easier than ever. So why wait? Unwind in luxury with the Candy Bay 4 hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Your perfect relaxation oasis awaits.